Get ready for Short and English Junior 80 word per minute. Dictation by Surya Manogar. August 2018. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to take part in the annual day celebrations of your school. I know that this school is one of the best schools in the country, so I am proud to be here today. I am aware that this school has produced many good students who are now in high positions in all over the country. I would very much like that this example is followed by other schools in the country so that we may make progress as fast as possible. In this connection, I would like to point out that it is not the school alone that has to train boys and girls. It must be realized that the parents have their own responsibility in this respect. I have no doubt that this school has the honor of having the cooperation of the parents in its activities. That is why it has become a good school. On this occasion, I would like to stress that the schools should not stop with giving education alone to the students. It is most important that they should train them to be good citizens. I am glad that this school is doing all it can in this direction. As you know, science is becoming very important in the present day world. So, it is very necessary to give importance to this subject in all schools. Another important thing to which I would like to refer is health. It is not necessary for me to point out the importance of games and sports. I think you will agree that they are the best means of improving the health condition of people in this country. I shall be glad if the students understand the value of self-help. It is the best way in which we can make progress very quickly. So, I would like to say that sufficient importance should be given to this aspect of the matter. We are now living in an era of computers. I am sure you are aware of the great advance made in this field. There is no doubt that it will be of great use to you in the matter of progress. It will be good if you make maximum use of computers to make improvements in education and in raising the standard of students also. You may rest assured that the government will give all necessary help for this purpose. Letter from Muthu and Company, Kolkata, to Mrs. Shekhar and Company, Bangalore. Dear sirs, in response to your letter of the 6th instant. We have great pleasure in appointing you as our sole selling agent for the whole of India for the sale of our garments and other articles. For this purpose, you will have to advance to us a sum of rupees 3 lakhs. It will be carry interest at 6% per annum. We enclose our current price list for your information. If there are any defects in goods, we assure you that they will be replaced free of cost. For the purpose of promotion of our business, we shall contact all publicity and advertising in consultation with you, and we shall include your name as our sole selling agent. We request your confirmation of acceptance at an early date. We hope and trust that our business will grow at a rapid pace. Under this arrangement, yours faithfully. Stop.